para ideklarang unconstitutional at void yung impeachment laban dito kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Pakinggan mo muna natin itong mga kababayan at magbigay ko tayo ng ating reaksyon dito sa napakainit na usapin na ito ngayon sa social media.
Magaling ang abogado ni VP Sara. Galing.
Officers' right provision declare for preliminary injunction and TRO against the impeachment complaint filed against the Vice President Sara Duterte. This is based on constitutional as well as legal grounds. We feel that the impeachment complaint is constitutionally deficient. It is a violation of pertinent constitutional provisions.
Yes.
And it is likewise jurisdictionally void. And the same should be dismissed and not entertained by the Senate of the Republic of the Philippines. That in essence is the foundation of our complaint.
Why defective?
It is very defective because first, it did not consider the 3 priorly filed impeachment complaints. It did not likewise consider due process to the Vice President.
No due process to the Vice President.
Also follow the constitutionally prescribed verification process.
Yes.
And because of these 3 and other grounds, the impeachment complaint should be dismissed. And not...
Yes. Ibig sabihin to guys, dapat alam kasi ng mga congressman kung ano yung pinirmahan nila. No? Dapat alam ng mga congressman kung ano yung pinirmahan nila dahil that is considered to be as constitutional if they know it. But if not, it's unconstitutional and it is very unfair for the Vice President. So, ito na.
Entertained and not entertained, rather. The verification process requires that it should be personally known, the allegations are personally known and studied by the respective congressman who signed it. And if you notice, the congressman who went there did not even know as to the subject matter of the discussion in the House.
Yes, yung ibang congressman, they do not know what is the things that they are going to talk about, no? Hindi nila alam, basta pumirma lang sila. So that is already a violation. So this impeachment case must be dismissed, no? This is against the Constitution. This is unconstitutional. It is against the due process.
Purpose. And there was only around 3 hours between 12 o'clock to 3:15 before it was included in the additional
that is unfair.
And by that time we feel and we have reasons to believe that some of the congressmen were not even able to peruse the complaint as well as assess the evidences attached in the impeachment.
Okay, so mean to say, hindi nila nabasa yon, hindi nila naiintindihan itong mga congressman kung ano yung kanilang pinirmahan doon, no? They cannot peruse, no? Alright, so yan.
Complaint. And therefore, this is defective. The verification requirement has not been complied with. And more importantly, there were 3 priorly filed impeachment complaints, and which were not acted upon in the Constitution. Specifically, Article 11, Section 3 thereof mandates that upon receipt of the impeachment complaint, the same should be included in the House in the order of business within 10 session days, and thereafter the Speaker should have referred it to the Committee on Justice within 3 days. And these are mandatory provisions which were not followed by the House of Representatives. And why? Because Francisco versus House of Representatives mandates that if an impeachment complaint is already referred to the Committee on Justice, the 1-year bar period shall operate. And if the 3 complaints were entertained, included in the order of business within 10 session days, and included within 3 session days in the Committee of Justice, referred to the Committee of Justice, then the 1-year bar rule would have operated, and the 4th impeachment complaint should not have been legally entertained.
Yes. Wasak ang impeachment nyo. Very good, attorney.
Well, it's up to the...
Yan, guys. So, there are a lot of violation regarding the impeachment proceedings, no, ng House of Representatives. So 100% malamang
Well, it's up to the
Mabasura yan.
Supreme Court, but we pray that the Supreme Court will grant our prayers.
Ayun na nga mga kababayan,
Yeah.
natin merong basihan niyang petition na yan. Kawa ko nilang paglagdaan.
Okay,
dyan sa-
tinrabaho yung paglagda
signature, hindi mo
ng
pala-
House.
Hindi mo pala pwede yun. Dapat wet signature ang gagawin kasi manunumpa ho kayo dyan sa,
Yes.
sa harap sa harap ng Secretary General bago kayo pumirma.
Yes.
Ang nabasa at napag-aralan nyo, yung impeachment na yan, laban dito kay VP Sara.
Oo. Correct, 'di ba? O, manunumpa ka pa kasi, no, bawat senator, bawat congressman diyan manunumpa pa 'yan. Para meaning to say they know what they are signing, no? Alam nila kung ano yung kanilang pinirmahan, no? Nakaso ba 'yan? Bill ba 'yan? No? Dito sa House of Representatives kung ano yung sinisulong diyan. So meaning to say hindi yung kamukha nung napanood natin ni Railroad lang. So within 3 hours ang dami nang nakapirma. 'Di ba? So that is yes, against the constitution, no?
215 signature na kung saan kumbaga next to impossible na mabasa ng 115 katao yung mga grounds for
Yes,
impeachment
it's
na,
very impossible.
laban
Kasi
dito kay Vice President Sara
ilang
Duterte.
page yan?
Marami yung questionabling galaw ang ginawa ng House of Representatives dyan sa impeachment.
Yes.
Kaya tayo ay naniniwala dapat po talagang makialam ng
Supreme Court.
dyan sa
Yes,
Supreme
mababasura
Court.
yan.
Hindi makikialam mga
Mababasura yan. So,
dahil sa impeachment trial, wala naman yung problema.
humingi na ng comment, no, commentary,
lahat ng aligasyon.
commentary renunciation yung
mga
Supreme Court,
kontra
commentary pronunciation yung Supreme Court sa Senate,
dito sa mga gawa-gawa
sa Congress, no, sa House of tama, sa Senate.
Prosecution panel laban dito kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
So yun, humingi na ng guys ng commentary pronunciation yung Supreme Court sa Senate. Alright? Kasi sila ang magiging impeachment court. So this is very exciting. And the lawyers of Vice President Duterte is on the ground. Talagang napakalaki ng kanilang ebidensya. Alright? So malaki ang posibilidad na itong impeachment na ito ay mapawalang bisa. Right? Itong impeachment case. Dahil hindi niya sinunod yung due process at yan ay mahihinto dahil sa tinatawag nating technicality. Alright? So minadali. So lahat ng congressman pumirma not even knowing what they are signing. Alright? And siyempre dapat manunumpa ka sa Secretary General, no? Isa-isa 'yan. So there is no proper procedure, no due process. So that is very illegitimate. Alright? Okay guys.